Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering simple ingredients for 2 servings of avocado toast. Use 2 slices of good bread and 1 ripe avocado. Cut the avocado in half and remove the pit carefully with a spoon. Scoop the flesh into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon lemon juice for brightness. Season with a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper for balance. Pour 1 tablespoon olive oil onto the bread before toasting for enhanced flavor and crispness. Toast the bread to a golden brown color and set it on a plate. Mash the avocado with a fork until you reach your preferred texture. Aim for slightly chunky mash for mouthfeel or smooth, spread for a creamier bite. Use 1/2 avocado per slice to ensure even coverage without overload. Spread the mash onto the warm toast using the back of the fork or a knife. Press lightly so the avocado adheres and stays on top while you add toppings. Finish your avocado toast with flavorful toppings that complement the base. Have about 6 cherry tomatoes and scatter them evenly for sweetness and acidity. Optionally, add a soft cooked egg on top for protein and richness when serving. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes or 1/2 teaspoon everything seasoning for texture and a flavor punch. Finish with a light pinch of flaky sea salt and a drizzle of olive oil if desired. Store any left.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.